गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने देखा कि हमें क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है मोरल फिलोसॉफीज की, ये हमारी क्या हेल्प करती है। ओके, नाउ देयर आर थ्री ब्रांचेस और थ्योरीज ऑफ मोरल फिलोसॉफीज। फर्स्ट वन है इसमें मेटा एथिक्स। मेटा एथिक्स डील्स with the basic question of the point of ethics. It is basically concerned whether ethical facts exist independent or are normative judgments or conventions. It deals with the questions like what is right and wrong or good and bad. It examines the big picture questions like what is morality, what is justice, is there truth, how can I justify my beliefs as better than conflicting beliefs held by others. It deals with what it means to claim that something is right or wrong. Meta ethics is the study of nature of ethics. It analyzes various meanings of moral language. Meta-ethical questions are by nature abstract and do not provide direct practical solution at the time of ethical dilemma, but it helps in understanding the very nature of ethical theories like are morals human inventions, are they universal, are they true for all times, are they different in different cultures, etc. Okay. हो सकता है कि जो हमने क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं, मेटा एथिकल क्वेश्चंस जो दिए हैं, वो एट अ टाइम एथिकल डायलामा को सॉल्व करने में हेल्प नहीं करे, बट ये क्या चीज में हेल्प करता है? इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग वेरी नेचर ऑफ एथिकल थ्योरीज, जैसे ह्यूमन इन्वेंशन, आर दे यूनिवर्सल, आर दे ट्रू फॉर ऑल टाइम्स, आर दे डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट कल्चर, इनको समझने में ये हेल्प करता है। ओके, तो बेसिकली हम यहाँ पे तीन टाइप के नॉर्मल जो मॉरल फिलोसफीज है। फर्स्ट हमने अभी देखा मेटा एथिक्स, सेकंड आएगा हमारा नॉर्मेटिव एथिक्स और थर्ड आएगा हमारा अप्लाइड एथिक्स। Meta ethics in itself is not a moral philosophy, but it is an issue of concern related to moral theory, which may be used to resolve many ethical dilemmas. When we talk about scientific knowledge, it has its experimental proofs and hence it becomes the truth. But when it comes to moral theories, what may be considered to be good in one culture might be bad in another. It may also differ for different individuals in different situations. This results into arguments around the moral theory and may lead to a thought that ethics is a subjective matter or there is a big question on whether there is any truth or not. But if that is the case, then people will not be able to discern between two conflicting decisions. Hence, metaethics throws light on various approaches of moral theory. ओके, तो साइंस में तो हम जो है आप प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट प्रूफ दे सकते हो, आपको पता चल जाता है यस इट इज ट्रू। पर मोरली अगर हम बात करना चाहें, एथिकली अगर एथिक्स की बात करें, तो हमारे पास कोई प्रूफ नहीं है। हम साइंस की तरह इसमें प्रैक्टिकली प्रूफ नहीं कर सकते। ठीक है, हो सकता है आप ये कह रहे हो कि एथिकली सही है, दूसरे के लिए वो गलत है। ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो मेटा एथिक्स है, यहाँ पे कुछ अप्रोच बताई है मोरल थ्योरीज की। जैसे फर्स्ट इसमें है मोनिज्म एंड रिलेटिविज्म। Some people may act such that there is the best possible outcome for all, which is a utilitarian approach, and they do this because they believe that this act makes them a good person, which is virtue ethics. Here they follow more than one moral philosophy. This means that we cannot arrive at a decision when faced with conflicting situations by following one approach. To be able to decide what is right or wrong, we have to see it from different perspectives, or we have different approaches to analyze a situation and take an ethical decision. As ethical issues can be analyzed from different points of view, the philosophers present different approaches and theories. It becomes difficult to decide which moral theory is right to adopt. All theorists have valid arguments for their approach, and hence all of them may be true. But which one to follow when depends on the approaches that one adoption decision makes. Some philosophers argue that it is possible to take objective ethical decisions by identifying one valid ethical theory. This is called ethical monism. Other philosophers believe that it is not possible to make objective ethical judgments and that any decision about a particular approach is right is based on personal preferences, cultural backgrounds, individual opinions, and feelings. This is called ethical relativism. More relativism believes that there is no universal moral truth and the morality is determined relative to each culture. दो चीज की यहाँ पे बात की है, एथिकल मोनिज्म एंड रिलेटिविज्म। सेकंड आता है हमारा प्लूरलिज्म। Pluralism is the solution to the challenge that monism and relativism pose. On one side, monism is very rigid, considering only one philosophy to be the only truth, and on the other side, relativism opens up the possibilities of trading of the principles for own, one's own convenience. मोनिज्म तो क्या कहता है, कोई एक फिलोसॉफी आप मान लो कि बस इसी को फॉलो करना है. रिलेटिविज्म क्या कहता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू कल्चर. वो बताता है कि कोई यूनिवर्सल मॉरल ट्रुथ नहीं है और मॉरलिटी जो है इट इज डिटरमाइंड रिलेटेड टू ईच कल्चर. ठीक है. प्लूरलिज्म जो है therefore believes that there can be conflicting views that are each worthy of consideration. Many moral issues that are very complicated cannot be solved by a single philosophical approach. Rather than being obsessed with consistency and impractical, like monists, pluralists consider different philosophies to make ethical decisions. Thus, monism is sometimes not connected to the real world and leads to dogmatism, and relativism considers various theories which may be different, inconsistent, or contradictory, leading to decisions that can be most convenient and self-serving. But pluralism considers all theories worthy of consideration under complicated circumstances, which makes the decision making a difficult process, particularly when there are conflicting options available. तीन चीजें हमने यहाँ पे बात की. मॉरलिज्म जो एक थ्योरी को सही बताता है, रिलेटिविज्म जो डिपेंड करता है कल्चर वाइज, जो डिफरेंट थ्योरीज को बताता है. प्लूरलिज्म कहता है कि सारी थ्योरीज जो है, ऑल थ्योरीज वर्दी ऑफ कंसिडरेशन, सब चीजों को आप देखो. तो जब आप डिसीजन लेते हो तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि आप किसको एथिकली राइट आप बता सकते. ओके, तो ये तो हमने बात की मेटा एथिक्स. नेक्स्ट हमारा जो टॉपिक आएगा दैट वुड बी नॉर्मेटिव एथिक्स, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन.